Good evening, fellow scriptologists. We have had a storm for the last few hours. The wind was so strong, we blowing the rain through the walls because there's not coverage yet. It started to snow. We ended with probably about 6 or 8 inches of snow. Then it rained most of it off with high winds, 80 to 90 to 100 kilometers an hour, which is 55 to 60 mile per hour winds. Yeah, so tonight we're going to be tearing down battery charger. When I found it, it had the cord and cables already cut off it. So, one last thing for us to take off. Thankfully, because those things are being a pain. All right, so we start taking as many screws as we can find. All right, oops, here's another one. It looks like all on this side. There's a couple out there to make sure I had the right bits on. And I do now. Oops. All right. There's the handle, that's red. Set that in its pocket for now. And expose another one. Which means there was one on the other side we couldn't see. Yep. Check the back here. Oh, let's really cut the cord off. Look, we left quite a bit of it there too. Alrighty, so I got the cord, and I'll fill the screw to get that off. I'll take that off before we open it. Get that taken care of very quick. That one will work. There we go. Now, set this up here so we don't lose it. Where's my gloves? Yeah, it's pretty wet sitting outside. We just brought it in here, oh, I'd say about 10 or 15 minutes ago. And that wasn't too hard now, was it? Wow. Look at that chunk of what's probably copper because of the age of this. That is a nice chunk. So, take the pliers and pull all these off. Not much in this thing, but there's a nice big chunk of copper in there. That is a huge chunk of copper. Yeah, freaking who, but it's all plastic cased. So I smashed that really with a hammer. Now ready to go on the next load of missiles. Take that off. I think these are big hunks of copper. And a fan with a little motor on it. And it's held up with a couple of Phillips screws. So we already got that in here. That son of a gun ain't gonna come out. It ain't never that easy. Oh well. What's holding it on the back? Nothing. My persuader. Love how that works. Every time. So, there's what doesn't even missing. I need this. Stand here. Gloves. I already have glasses on, so don't have to worry about that too much. There we go. Garbage. I can reach through the other side. I wonder if well, that was easier. And a piece just fell on the floor. I think might be a piece of brass. Take a quick look for it. There it is. It's brass, I believe. Set that back there. Get the pliers. Get the other one off. Or not. Ah, that's why. I wonder what size that is. Am I lucky enough to have this be the right one? No, I'm not. Alright, so we'll fix that in a minute. Now, snip out that wire. And this wire. There's that. That wire. That wire. That wire. There we go. You know, this thing here. Which should be a nice piece of copper. I'll set that here. Now, this thing here, what are you made of? Here you are. Nope, magnetic. So, that was rather uneventful, wasn't it? Throw that over here. You know, turn this upside down and see if we get that nice chunk of copper. I believe it's copper out of there. How was that on there? Pop rivets. All right, found another one. There's always one more screw. Of course, that's not the right one. So, we'll do it that way. Shred. shred. Now, how to get that off? Yeah, it should be nice, just a nice chunk of copper right there too. All right, so next predicament. Under this thing here. Yeah. Now, this sucker here. Put the gloves on again. Let's see if we can break this off. Plastic broke off. See an easier way. Always an easier way when you slow down for a second. Don't like that too much. Go power to this. Now, something not quite right with this blade. Well, that idea can work because I can't get that off. And they're a little bit too tight. All right, so plan number 2, full chisel. Okay. Now, see if we can break that off. Well, that broke off there. There we go. Wash the toes. Knew that was going to happen, eh? Alrighty. Hit shred. Now, yep. I should invest in some steel toe work boots. What do you guys think? Now, is that one chunk of copper? The one way to find out. I haven't keeping up and organizing my shop, so I keep losing things. Oh, it's still there, that's why. Let's see. Aluminum. That sucks. That goes into an electric motor. This here is a mystery. Here it is. Nope. Shred. Now, this thing here. This here. There's this one here. Now, so it's not this one. Whoops. It's a little bit bigger one. Make this one. Yes, it is. Look at that. Yeah, put a pair of gloves on. So I've had these spin out on me before. All right. One way to skin a cat. I love this little set of security bits I got because it came with this nice little ratcheting thing. It works great to loosen this up. Gosh, dang it. Maybe not. Well, that screw wouldn't come out. Give it a couple of taps, see if it'll loosen it up a little bit. There we go. That done the trick. Or did it? I'm thinking I just stripped it. Nope. Even worse. All right. There it is. So. There we go. That old brass fitting. There's the other one. This here is just shred. I don't mess with those things. Now, these should be cast aluminum. Yes, sir, they are. There's one little piece of cast aluminum. Another piece of cast aluminum. Oh, those are steel. Now, those little things in there are steel. Try to get them out. What's a little ball thing? Huh. At least go down the side of it. Yes, it will. There we go. Right down the side of it. So, there we go. That's all clean cast aluminum. Goes there. That's magnetic, so that's nothing. Magnetic. Magnetic. That's garbage. That'll go in there. So, we take this, and we just squeeze this in the vise, and this will pop out. Put the end right there in the vise, and come on, you're supposed to do that. Well, it loosened up. It's a little bit thicker than most of them, so it might not be open all the way. We'll just pop it out. There we go. Check this out. See what it is. Probably just steel. Yep, that little piece of copper. I'm not going to bother with it, even those are steel for the fins. So throw that in there. Now, like this. And let me see. Nope. There they are. Peel this plastic off. See what's under it. I know this is copper. Yep, that's copper. So we just go like this. Okay, so get the rest of us off there. That off there. And put a little bit of copper there, by golly. And that's that. That's got mostly metal. So throw that in the shred. Here we go. So, what do we get of that? We got a little bit of wire. We got a little bit of cast aluminum. We got two of these things. The other one's on the counter here somewhere on the floor. It did not go far. So we got that. But you know what? It's aluminum. Oh well, aluminum. So we got a couple pieces of aluminum, cast aluminum. A nice chunk, I'd probably say quarter pound of that. And probably about the same of that. So that's about $1 for the insulated, so pounds. That's a quarter there. And this is probably like 5 cents. And this is probably at $3.40 a pound. That's probably a buck. So $1.05, $1.30. Yeehaw! Oh, where's that piece of wire at there? Nope. Yeah, and this thing off. So yeah, about $1.30. It's better kicking the bunghole, as they say. Ah, actually nobody says that. So, that's plastic. Of course, not be magnetic. No, I'm not going to fish for it. Alrighty, guys. So that is what's inside of a large battery charger. And it's an older one too, so I was almost convinced that would have been... I'm going to check it one more time, just in case I'm not saying things right. We'll try it one more time. But I'm pretty sure that is aluminum by the looks of that. Oh yeah. That's aluminum, guys. So, that's into that story. Into the motors. Alrighty. So, we'll leave you with that. A short little teardown video. I'm going to stay down here and go through some smaller stuff and see if we can get something accomplished tonight. All my buckets are in the back of the SUV from when we took the last load to St. John there to clean it all out. So, we're back at her again, guys. You guys have yourselves a great evening. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment if you like, share, and please subscribe. And you all have a great night. God bless.